Hello friends, today we will draw a scenery. Here we will use watercolor in simple manner so that anyone can do it. So let's get started. I will draw a coconut tree on this rock. Next, I will draw a big ship using some curved lines and straight line. But don't use scale for the straight line. Do it by hand only. This is the smoke coming out from the ship. Now I will add few boats in this drawing. Our drawing is almost complete. Is not the drawing is very easy? Hope you will able to draw it properly. Next, we will start watercoloring. I have chosen these three colors. I will mix these three colors to get the desired color. I will use cotton instead of brush so that it will be very easy to color it. And follow how I am doing. First, wet the cotton and drop it on a color. Then gently spread on the paper. In this way, you will get very nice pattern in the sky. For the ocean part, I am using little bit darker shade of blue. Next, I will do the land part. For this part, I have chosen these four colors mentioned on the screen. Again, I will use cotton instead of paintbrush here. But in this case, the technique will be little bit different. After taking the color on the cotton, I will not spread it. I will just tap it on the paper. In this way, I will get a different pattern for this land part. Here I will use all these 4 colors to color this rock. Just doing tap tap tap. How beautifully we colored this portion, is not it? After doing this watercolor, you have to wait because this watercolor should be dry, then you can only do the other colors. For the remaining part, I will use the crayons, oil pastel. You may have noticed in today's drawing, I don't do the outline. I am just coloring all the object. But for the ship and boat part, I will do the bordering with a sketch pen. Giving outline to the ship and the boat will make our drawing more beautiful. Next, I will erase all the pencil mark to clean the drawing. For the sheep, I have chosen few bright colors. You can do the color of your choice. Whatever you want, you can use those colors. For these small boards, I will use only the shades of brown to color it. It will look good. Now I will do the few details of this painting. You can add few birds here. I have almost completed today's drawing. Hope you all like this drawing. If you like it, please try to do it yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it with your family and friends.